Morten. I am Alexandra.
I am Pernille.
And this is our mini masterclass.
Now that you know the basics, it's time to impress. A smooth carve is the best feeling ever. Keep your skis parallel and put pressure on the outer ski to turn. Remember to always keep your upper body stable. Make sure you don't sit back too much, but keep a forward position. When it gets steep, it's time to do some short turns. If it goes too fast, just stop for a second.
If you want to look like a pro, you have to take a break like a pro. Unbuckle your boots, but never take off your goggles.